In 1991, during the height of the Gulf War, an American soldier named Michael Turner vanished without a trace. Declared dead in combat, his name was etched onto a memorial wall, his family shattered, and the government closed the case. But what if he never died? What if, for 30 years, he was alive, hidden, trapped in a world even his family couldn't imagine? This is the story of a soldier who disappeared, and a secret so powerful, it could shake the foundation of the United States. Michael Turner was a 28-year-old staff sergeant, deployed in a special reconnaissance unit near the Kuwaiti border. Known for his bravery and sharp instincts, Michael led a small team deep into hostile territory for an intelligence-gathering mission. March 12, 1991, Michael's team went radio silent. No distress signal. No GPS blip. Just gone. Search units found remnants of a firefight. One helmet. Burnt-out vehicle. Michael Turner was never seen again. The Pentagon declared him missing in action. Months later, presumed killed in action. The media moved on, but his wife, Julia Turner, never did. They said he died, but I didn't feel it. I didn't feel that emptiness that comes when someone's really gone. I kept hearing his voice at night. I knew, somehow, he was still out there. Julia Turner. Julia launched a decades-long mission, filing FOIA requests, contacting veterans, even traveling to Washington to demand answers from Pentagon officials. Each time, she hit a wall. They wanted us to forget. But I couldn't. My son deserved to know who his father was, and where he went. June 2021, 30 years later. It was an ordinary Tuesday morning when a letter arrived. No return address. No postage stamp. Just placed in the mailbox. Greater than, Julia, if you're reading this, know that I'm alive. But I can't come home. They changed me. I became someone else. I was part of something you wouldn't believe. I'm sorry. Michael. Handwriting experts confirmed it was Michael's. Julia froze. Her son, now 32, broke down. The man they mourned was alive. But what did he mean by, they changed me? Julia took the letter to investigative journalist Aaron Wade, who had covered secret military programs for years. That phrase, they changed me, I'd heard similar ones in classified whistleblower reports. There was a program, a ghost project, called Silent Patriot. Aaron Wade. Silent Patriot was an alleged covert operation under the CIA, involving psychological conditioning and identity suppression. The goal, to turn POWs into silent agents, operatives who didn't even know they were assets until triggered. They used trauma, hypnosis, sensory deprivation. They wanted soldiers who could be deployed without question, perfect tools. Aaron Wade. Could Michael have been one of them? Julia, her son Adam, and journalist Aaron began hunting leads, former soldiers, ex-CIA contractors, even underground hacker forums. One tip led them to Diego Mason, a former CIA handler turned whistleblower, hiding in Arizona. Michael Turner. Yeah, I remember that name. He didn't die. We extracted him, brought him back, wiped him clean. Diego Mason. According to Diego, Michael had been repurposed, assigned a new identity. His memories, erased. He was trained for deep ops, sabotage, infiltration, surveillance. He did things no man should be asked to do. And then, he disappeared again. Even from us. Diego Mason. A redacted report was found. Operator MT status, off-grid. Threat level, unknown. Then came the final proof. A hacker leaked security footage from a military outpost in Eastern Europe. A tall man in black military gear, face covered, enters. He speaks to a guard in fluent Russian. He looks into a camera, pauses. Then says, "Tell Julia I'm sorry." Facial match software confirmed an 89% match, Michael Turner. It's him. It's my Michael. After all these years, Julia. The footage sparked a national uproar. Media went wild. Protests erupted. CNN breaking. Missing soldier returns after 30 years. Senator Rachel Pierce demanded a full congressional investigation. If we turned our own heroes into ghosts for war games, we must answer for it. Senator Pierce. Congressional hearings followed. Whistleblowers testified. The government denied Silent Patriot's existence. But too much had leaked. All I ever wanted was the truth. Not vengeance. Just the truth. Julia. Encrypted email received 2024. Julia opens an email. It contains a video. If you're watching this, I've gone dark again. They'll never let me return. I've seen too much. But I remember now. I remember you. I remember holding Adam when he was born. I remember the way you used to sing in the kitchen. And that memory, they couldn't erase. Michael, video message. That was the last she heard of him. No more letters. No more signs. Just a ghost, and a broken system. Michael Turner became a symbol of sacrifice, of deception, and of a mother and son's unwavering belief. At a memorial, Julia and Adam placed a new plaque, in memory of Michael Turner, soldier, husband, father. Lost, but never forgotten. In the end, one letter, one woman's persistence, uncovered a truth buried for decades. And perhaps, somewhere, in the shadows, Michael Turner is still watching. Greater than, this story is based on true events. Some names and details have been changed to protect identities. Some heroes never make it home. Some never left. But all deserve to be remembered.